Hey, what's up guys? Summer's here. Every Tesla owner will start to feel the burn on their head. Maybe except the new Tesla Model Y owners because they update their new technology on the roof shade. But here's a rescue. Halo Black Roof Sunshade. Inside the bag you will get two pieces of sunshade, one for the front, one for the back. I flip one upside down, you will see this is a reflecting layer, reflect the sun. This is how you keep your car cool. And also there's a box of clips. You just have to clip around the sunshade. That's how you're gonna secure into the car. And also it comes with an instruction manual. If you don't want to read through the instruction manual, you can also scan those QR codes. They have instruction videos on YouTube. First, I'm going to install this black pad in the back of this clip. That way this clip can stick inside the car and is secured. Install the foam all around the clips. Next, all I have to do is to install the clips around the sunshade. So 4 in the front, 4 in the back. It's pretty easy, just clip this in. Now I have installed all the clips around the sunshade. Next, I'll bring this into the car. There's a sticker to tell you this is the front part of the car. And when you see the logo Halo Black, this part is gonna be facing up because you are reflecting the sun on top. Now I'm in the car, all you have to do is to push the clips into the headliner. So I'm having the front piece. Here's the front piece secured. You will see there's no gaps all around. And now you install the back piece. Now the back piece is also installed. You will see the whole sunroof is being covered from all the way front, all the way to the back. So this is the Halo Black roof sunshade. Hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time.